Hey, in this lesson, we're going to be adding hyperlinks into our Google Docs. So there's a number of options with Google Docs. I'm going to duplicate this content. I've cleared out some of the content that I had earlier, and I'm just going to do a copy and paste and add in more content so that we've got multiple pages of content here. So what happens if we want to create a hyperlink, or if we want to create a bookmark that's going to link to another part of the page? So we're able to do all of that with the hyperlinks. So going into the hyperlinks, let's select some text. And with the text itself, we've got an option to insert a link. So when we open up the insert link, the pop-up, automatically we've got a Google search for where we want to link to. We can also link to the document itself. So we can link just right to the document. So clicking that is going to open up the document. So that's not very productive. It could copy the link, it could edit the link, it could remove the link as well once it's added. So let's go again, adding in the link and select the default selection here from Google where we're going to be adding in the link, and that's from the web search. So that's a really smart way of adding in links because it does a web search for this content. We can also select the find more. So this allows us to link to multiple web results. And this is where we've also got the same thing where we saw before where we're doing the footnotes and the citing. So we've got all the options to do the citing for this. So if I want to cite the Microsoft Office for this, I can apply the citing there. We already saw that one. And also if we wanted to add in images, so if we want to add in an image, so let me go back to G Suite and see what images I come up with. And then we can also link to content within the drive as well. So if we wanted to insert the image, we've got the insert image option where we can do an insert of the image. So it's not really creating a hyperlink, but we can also, on the image itself, we can create a hyperlink from that image to its source. And then we also have an option here for the hyperlink itself. So we can remove the link, we can edit the link, and we can copy the link. So right now it's just linking to Wiki Comments, which is the source of the image. And we can also use the insert menu at the top. So that was just the explore option. So where we can explore. And if we search for Google Docs, then this is going to return back that same option. So this was a quick way to invoke the Explore menu. If we want to insert a hyperlink, we also have the option under Insert. We can do a hyperlink, and then we got the same options as we saw earlier where we could insert hyperlinks. So there are also some options where we can apply bookmarks to the page. So if, for instance, we want to bookmark this, so insert and then go down to bookmark. So it's going to create a bookmark. So now let's go back into the hyperlinks and let's select this hyperlink, and it's going to show us bookmarks. So if it detects some bookmarks on the page, it's going to show us the bookmarks. So that allows us to link within the document itself to the bookmarked part of the page. And that's why we needed some more content. So now whenever this gets clicked, it's going to automatically scroll the page down to where the bookmarked part of the page was. So that's how you can use hyperlinks and bookmarks in order to make your document more interactive. And as well, when you do save it as a PDF, this will stay within that format so that you can also link within your document and within the document as well as to web links.